You'll find it. It glares in the sun.
It's right there.
Right there.
I gotta wait for him to move.
You gotta wait for one of them stuff.
Jordan, move.
Yeah, you can keep it. You keep it. That's what it. You keep it.
I do put it right.
You got it?
Yeah. Wait, don't go yet. Don't go yet.
Okay, now we got to put the deeper side because you got to get the money too easy. You got the deep side.
Okay.
You got to work a little harder to get money.
Okay. No. Yeah, just a little bit. I don't want to go that deep. I want to go really, really deep.
Okay, I'll just put right down the deep. Look at there you go.
Wait, don't go in there.
Oh, no one's too deep.
That one's Brianna.
Yeah, Brianna, not too deep.
Yeah, I like that one. That's mine.
Okay, another one over there. Deeper side. That's deep.
That's Jordan.
That's George.
That's mine. First, I need to search for it.
One at a time in the pool.
I'm going first. Oh, here.
You go.
I feel it move.
Oh, yeah.
Jordan!
You got it?
Yeah.
Good.
I